forms. We're there at the gym, and so this is a very simple thing you can use. And Paul, I'm going to give the floor to you. Tell us how we can use a foam roller.
Okay, there's different ways you can use a foam roller. It's very good for deep tissue stretching. It'll help work out knots, so it's good for like your hamstrings, your back, your lats. Rebekah's going to show you some of these things you can do with the foam roller. If you do not have a foam roller at home, you can use something wrapped in a towel and use that to roll. Anything that's long or anything.
Maybe cylindrical?
Yeah, cylindrical, so it rolls. Yeah. And I'll let Rebekah take it away with the exercises. All right.
Awesome. So, live by this. You're going to want to be practicing this kind of stuff on a regular basis. This is going to help loosen up those muscles. This is going to really add to your stretching, guys, so also be stretching. We're going to start by foam rolling the backs of our legs here, just to try and work out any knots that are in there currently. So you're just going to want to roll back and forth. It's really, honestly, super simple.
Now, how much would you do? How often would you do this, Rebekah?
I do this fairly regularly. It's every couple of days, but mostly, honestly, right after I work out. It's the best to just like the day after to try and recover, because recovery is going to be so huge.
It's very good to do this after a workout because, like she said, it does loosen up the muscles, and what it'll do is it'll help release the acids built up in the muscles after your workout, so you'll get a quicker recovery time.
Now, this also makes a big difference too with people that have things like lower back pain, maybe different hamstring tightness and stuff too. It really helps to loosen it up and makes a big difference with regards to their health.
Yeah, make sure that you're doing both sides, guys. You want to be switching. Don't just do one side. Don't do the side that just hurts, because you never know. Awesome. So that's the backs of those legs. We've already gotten those done. Now we're going to switch to our IT bands. Yes?
Let's do it.
Yes.
Let's do it.
So we're going to switch over to the side like so, and we're going to roll out now this way.
And working out the IT band is a great thing to do. Tight IT bands will turn your pelvic region inward, which will start to cause lower back pain and other issues. A lot of people get tight in the adductor muscle and very loose in the abductor and loose in the adductor. So we want to keep that balance in each leg.
And we tend to see this in runners too, right? Runners have a lot of tight IT bands. So having this type of stretch for them using the foam roller is a big difference, especially after going for a run, whether it be a small jog or a large run. This is a great stretch to do.
Awesome. Well done. All right. Now we are going to go a little further up. Yeah? And we're going to stretch out all this area. Get some nice foam rolling action happening. Beautiful. Just like so.
And when you're doing this, you want to be putting as much pressure on the roller as you can. If you can't have it put too much pressure, just make sure you're trying to keep the pressure evenly on both sides. And doing up around the lateralis dorsi is going to help loosen up your shoulders, which will keep your posture a lot better. For sure.
Beautiful. What's next?
Other side.
Other side.
Oh,
see?
both sides.
Good job. See, they know.
Testing us.
Yeah, that was a test, 100%. And we're going to switch sides now, guys. Awesome. Like so. All right. Beautiful.
Next one.
We're going to do our back.
All right.
So, we're just going to position this guy correctly. And we're just going to roll that guy out.
Perfect. Now, if you experience any type of discomfort when you're doing any of this stuff, make sure you stop. Make sure you also discuss with your healthcare practitioner if there's any other issues going on, because we want to make sure safety is of the utmost importance. Good. Great stretch.
Beautiful. Awesome.
Beautiful. So, that was our episode of First Foam Roller. Hopefully you guys found this educational. If you have any comments to put, please put comments down on the bottom. Like, share, let us know what you thought about this. Thank you for joining us. My name is Dr.Alykhan Shariff. I'm a local chiropractor in OSHAWA, Ontario, and our clinic name is Infinite Healing Chiropractic and Wellness Center.
And I'm Paul Marmara with Level Up Fitness and Nutrition, as well as owner-operator of Marm's Personal Training.
And my name is Rebekah, and I am the owner and operator of Level Up. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and if there's anything you want to see in future episodes, you can comment below and let us know.
And join us for
our next episode.